Good day, kids! What we are going to discuss today is about measurement of length on metric system. Let's assume that this is 1 meter. When 1 meter is divided into 10 equal parts, we will call that decimeter. Thus, 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter. When 1 meter is divided into 100 equal parts, one of which is called centimeter. Therefore, 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. At kapag ang 1 meter is divided into 1,000 equal parts, ito ang tinatawag nating millimeter. Dahil sa kakulangan ng space, hindi na natin maipapakita ang 1,000 equal parts of a meter. Tandaan, ang isang metro ay katumbas ng 10 decimeters, 100 centimeters at 1,000 millimeters. Kapag hinati ang 1 centimeter into 10 equal parts, millimeter ang tawag doon. There are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. When a meter is divided into 10 equal parts, it is called decimeter. When 1 decimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, it is called centimeter. When 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, it is called millimeter. Here are the 7 units you need to understand. In this table, you observe that if you are going towards the right, it is multiplied with 10. Whereas, going to the left, you are dividing it by 10. For example, 1,000 millimeter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now it's your turn to find the equivalent unit of measure.